This is the result. Portainer is running, the environment is connected, 2 containers are up. Everything is visible right in the browser. No SSH, no flags to memorize. It took a few minutes to get here. Let's walk through how. That's Portainer, a web UI for Docker that replaces SSH and command line guesswork with a panel you can actually see. Create, start, stop, and manage containers, configure networks and volumes, track logs, all from one place. Your scripts still work if you need them, but most days you won't. HostKey deploys it pre-configured in minutes. Docker installed, Portainer running, ready as soon as deployment finishes. How to order. Go to invp.hostkey.com, complete registration, and log into the panel. Open the New Instance Servers tab. Choose your region and server type, in our case, virtual servers. Portainer runs on minimal specs. For comfortable use, we'll take the Nano configuration, 2 vCPU and 2 GB RAM. Under the Software tab, go to Developer Tools and select Portainer. The OS will be selected automatically. Optionally, in the Automatization tab, you can set a convenient machine name and password. After that, review your order on the right, choose a billing period. The longer the period, the bigger the discount, and click Order. The server is ready. The Portainer panel is available at your server's IP address, port 9000. You can find the IP in the delivery email or in the server card, at the top and under the Network tab. Important, after the container starts, you have exactly 30 minutes to create an admin account. If that window passes, Portainer will show a message saying you need to restart the container. To do this, connect to the server via SSH. You can use any terminal. Enter the SSH command followed by your server's IP address, enter the password, and run docker restart Portainer. You'll see the container restart. Refresh the browser. You'll land on the admin creation screen. Enter an admin username and password twice, then click Create User. After logging in successfully, you'll see the Portainer home screen. On the left, you'll see the following menu items: User Related, Manage Accounts, Assign Roles and Permissions, Environment Related, the clusters and hosts managed by Portainer. This is where you add new servers to manage them all from one place. Registries, connect and manage access to container registries, such as Docker Hub. Logs, an audit log of who accessed the system and when. Notifications, system alerts and messages. Settings, general configuration, including security, backup, and restore. At this point, you already have a working host with containers and a visual management panel. No more memorizing Docker flags, just see what's running. Most of the time, you'll be managing the local Docker host where Portainer is installed, but Portainer really comes into its own when you manage multiple hosts from a single window. Let's add a new environment. Click Add Environments. The environment wizard will open. Select Docker Standalone and click Start Wizard. On the next step, Portainer will offer connection methods. The default is Edge Agent Standard. It works through a reverse tunnel and is designed for hosts behind NAT. For a direct connection, expand more options and select Agent. Portainer immediately shows the ready-to-use agent install command for your version. In the name field, enter any name you like. In the environment URL field, enter your server's IP. Copy the command and run it by connecting to the server via SSH. One important note, we're connecting a container locally here. If you're connecting a different host, enter that host's address in the environment URL field, and the command should be run on the host you're connecting, not the current one. Click Connect. You'll see a notification that the environment was created. The new environment appears on the dashboard. From here, everything is visual. Launch a container from an image. Map ports, attach a volume, add it to a network, watch logs in real time. No command line needed. For advanced configuration, the developer documentation at docs.portainer.io covers every parameter in detail. This is exactly why people love Portainer. Containers stop being invisible processes you have to keep in your head and become a panel you can actually read. And the pre-configured image on HostKey takes care of the setup, so you go straight to work. This image is a great fit for development, testing, demos, and small to medium production scenarios. As you grow, you stay in the same panel and simply add new environments, additional Docker hosts, build servers, a dedicated database server, and manage everything from one place without reinstalling anything. Why deploy Portainer on HostKey? Portainer gives you a visual way to manage containers And HostKey gives you a ready environment so you don't spend a day setting it up. It's a ready-made marketplace application. Docker and the Portainer panel are installed and running automatically. The web panel is available right after deployment. Just open the server's IP address and port 9000 and create an admin account. Low hardware requirements. Try Portainer on HostKey today. Link in the description.